Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing entry. Buy a dated ticket or annual pass and download the confirmation. Once done, save the QR to your phone and print a backup. Make sure your phone battery is charged so you can show tickets at the gate. Choose which park ahead of time and check opening hours and transport connections. Finally, pack ID, a payment card, a small bag, water, and the official app to speed check-in and see live waiting times. You approach the entrance, aim to arrive 30 to 60 minutes before opening to reduce queue time and get ahead of crowds. Once at the gates, move smoothly through security. Open your bag, remove large electronics or metal for inspection, and follow staff instructions. After security, join the ticket validation line. You will scan the QR or barcode on your phone or printed ticket at the turnstile. Once validated, step through. Grab a map or open the app to plan your first attraction. You are inside and should orient quickly. Check the app for real-time wait times and book premier access or head to priority rides first to avoid long waits. Make dining reservations through the app or at kiosks. Use lockers for bulky items or if asked. If a problem occurs, ticket won't scan or entry denied. Stay calm, show the staff your purchase confirmation and photo ID, and go to guest relations. They can verify and reissue access if you kept screenshots.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.